Okay, for the next step of the solution process, we'll go through and find the partial fraction decomposition for each of these variables, x of s and y of s. So for starters, with x of s, we're going to have just a ratio of two linear factors. So we're going to have a capital A over top of s plus 2 and a b over top of s minus 1. If we multiply it through by LCD, we'll have 1 is equal to a times s minus 1 plus b times s plus 2. If we now pick s to be equal to 1, we get 1 is equal to 3b. That makes b equal to 1/3. If we pick s to be equal to negative 2, we have 1 is equal to negative 3a. So that makes a equal to a negative 1/3. For y of s, which is equal to s plus 1 over top of s plus 2 times s minus 1, we'll mix things up by using a capital C over the s plus 2 and a capital D over the s minus 1. Multiplying through by the LCD gives us s plus 1 equals c times s minus 1 plus d times s plus 2. Once again, we'll pick different values for our variables. So on the first one, we'll pick s is equal to a 1. In that case, s plus 1 makes 2 is equal to the first term canceling out at 0 and 3 times d. That makes d equal to 2/3. The other value of s to pick is s is equal to negative 2. In that case, we end up with a negative 1 is equal to a negative 3c. That makes c equal to a positive 1/3. So we now have the values of a and b and c and d. Capital X of s is equal to negative 1/3 times 1 over s plus 2, and plus the b number, which was positive 1/3 over 1 over s minus 1, and big Y of s is equal to c, which was 1/3 times 1 over s plus 2, plus the d, which was 2/3, 1 over s minus 1. And now we can go through and take inverses for each one of these. If we take the inverse of x, we'll end up with x of t, lowercase, is equal to negative 1/3 e to the negative 2t plus 1/3 e to the positive t. And little y of t, taking the inverse, is going to be 1/3 e to the negative 2t plus 2/3 e to the t. And this pair of functions is the solution of our system of differential equations. In the next video, we'll go in and show you how to verify this, which will be a big focus coming up in several chapters from now.